In this tutorial, we will create this object. When you start SketchUp, it will show the startup window. Here at first you will have to choose template. Click on this choose template. Then they have provided different types of template here. Now my object is in mm, therefore I will be working this woodworking millimeter template. Click on. Now in this object, at first I will create this rectangle. The size of this rectangle is 80 by this 80 20 20, that is 120, 120 by 80, and thickness is 15. By default, SketchUp start with perspective view. For component like this, it will be easy to work in parallel projection. To change to parallel projection, click on camera and click on this parallel projection. Then to create the rectangle, press R, give the first point, take your cursor away, then type the size. At first you will have to give length in red direction, comma length in green direction. Here length in red direction is 120, comma 80, enter. Then to come out of this rectangle tool, press spacebar. So it will come out and it will automatically switch to this select button. Then to convert this rectangle into 3D, click here on push pull. Click inside the rectangle, give the direction, give the height of 15, enter. Then press spacebar. Then next will be to create these two circles of 80 and 60 diameter, that is 40 and 30 radius. For circle, press C. To locate the center of this rectangle, take your cursor on the midpoint of one of the line. Don't click there. Take your cursor away. It will track it. Then take your cursor on the midpoint of other line. Don't click there. And take your cursor in the center. It will locate the center of the rectangle. Click, type 40 and enter. Here you can watch that whatever dimensions you type, that will be key in here automatically. Give the size of 40, enter. Then circle is still on. Now to locate the center point of the circle, take your cursor on the circle and take your cursor in the center. It will show the center point. Click there, give the radius of 30, enter. Then to convert this shape into 3D, again click on push pull, click inside this shape, take your cursor above, give the height of 20, enter. If you see here, outside height is 20 but inside height is 15. That means from inside also it is coming up by distance of 5. Then take your cursor inside, take your cursor above, give the height of 5, enter. Then press spacebar. And next is to create this circle of 30 dia and to create this hole. Press C for circle, take your cursor inside, take your cursor on the circle and take it inside. It will show the center point. Click there, take your cursor away, give the radius of 15, enter. Then to create a hole, again click on push pull, click inside, take your cursor down. Now here the depth will be 20, here this is 15 and this is 5. Therefore it will become 20, take it down, give the depth of 20, enter. If you orbit it, here the hole is created. To orbit, press middle mouse button and drag the mouse. It will orbit the object. Then press spacebar. Then next will be to create this portion. Now here this depth is 50, but if you create object from this endpoint, then you will have to minus this 15 thickness. Therefore this height will become 35 and this length is 80. Orbit it, zoom it. Then again press R for rectangle. Click on this point. Take your cursor on this point and take your cursor down. It will automatically change the plane. Then give the size 80, 35. Enter. Then to create circle, press C. Then take your cursor here on the midpoint, click there and click on this end point. Then to erase the unwanted object, press E and remove these unwanted objects. Then to convert this into 3D, again click on push pull. Click inside this shape, give the direction, give the thickness of 20, enter. Then here one circle is there of 32 dia, that is 16 radius, and it is a hole. Press C for circle. Take your cursor on this circle and go inside. It will show the center. Click there. Give the radius of 16. Enter. To convert this circle into hole, you can also press P. Then click inside circle. Go inside. Give the thickness of 20. Enter. Press spacebar. Then same shape is here. We will copy this shape. To copy this shape, at first you will need to select this shape. Click on right side, take your cursor on the left side. It will show the selection box. Click. It will select the object which has been crossed. Orbit it and check everything is selected. Okay, everything is selected. Orbit it. Then click on move. Now here it is giving a message. Press Ctrl for copy. Press Ctrl. Then take your cursor to the base point. I want to place this base point on this point. Click on this point and click on this point. Press spacebar. Click outside. I don't need this line. You can erase it. Press E and remove the unwanted lines. Now on this side also and on this side also. Then to write some 3D text on this surface, click on tools and click on 3D text. Write down the text. Suppose I will write the name of my channel, CAD CAM tutorials. Then from here you can select the desired font. I will take this font. Okay, there is only regular is there. Alignment I will keep it left. Then give here height. I will keep it as it is. And if you want to extrude that text, tick here and select the height for extrude. Click on this place. Take your cursor on this surface and click. Move is on by default. You can drag it and place it at desired position. And if you want to give some color to this text, then click on this paint bucket and select the desired color and select this text. Press spacebar. Then to give the color to the object, select complete object. To cancel the selection of this text, press shift and click on it. It will cancel the selection. Then choose the color for the object and click on it. Press spacebar and close it. And here this object is ready. You can press zoom fit also. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.